truck bed, belly empty, never fed. Dad says he ain't gonna play, we're gonna eat birds today. We tow that same wheat field like it's new every time, but I know those birds by name, I've seen them survive. Same tail feather, same dust, same laugh at the gun rust. Dad squints at the horizon, his gun already lost my trust. He says, bring one back, boy, like it's just my job. But that's not how it works, you entitled hunting snob. I know every bird by name, every hunt feels the same. Larry the pheasant says, hi, you shoot, but you close both eyes. I know every bird by name, Dad can't shoot, what a shame. Birds love to see his truck, Dad won't admit he sucks. There's Benny in the barley and Fred by the fence, Mabel in the cattails with a chip on her chest. Dad blasts at the sky like he aims at the Lord. We hear laughing from the corn. Same wing beat, same path, same boots in the mud. He blames the old wind, I blame his blood. The birds keep their secrets, but they don't leave town. If you miss 16, they just circle around. I know every bird by name, every hunt feels the same. Larry the pheasant says, hi, you shoot, but you close both eyes. I know every bird by name, Dad can't shoot, what a shame. Birds love to see his truck, Dad won't admit he sucks. Last Sunday he swore that he finally had one, but the rooster just fluttered like he already won. I looked at my dad, then back at the sky. Larry tipped his cap and said, good try. I know every bird by name, every hunt feels the same. Larry the pheasant says, hi, you shoot, but you close both eyes. I know every bird by name, Dad can't shoot, what a shame. Birds love to see his truck, Dad won't admit he sucks.